Okay, let's go over how to draw Pomni from the Amazing Digital Circus, kind of in a different pose. So she's going to have her hand up this time, so let's do it. I'm going to go right here. Let's go through it step by step, by the way, so we're going to go through it real easy. Stay to the very end if you can, and let's do it. Circle for one eye. Circle over here for the other eye. And it's going to be kind of an equal distance. It's just like a little bit separated, but you don't have to worry about it too much. Down over here, curve up. Line across over here. So that was the piece of hair, right, hanging in the middle. Downward over here, curve, line right there. It's almost like a triangular shape. It's the hair on the side. And by the way, when we're drawing this stuff, just get close enough. It's not, just have fun. Basically keep it fun, right? Just as long as it's close enough, it's good. We're gonna draw another kind of triangular shape right there on that side. And curve underneath the face. Line over here, kind of like a slight frown. Circle over here, circle over here. Dot, dot. It was kind of like a scared look. Not always, but sometimes. Let's put the little headband over here. Looks like a headband. It's kind of the bottom of that hat. And now we're going to draw one hand up. So curve right here for the shoulder pad. It's kind of like a circle right there. And then we're going to draw a little bit of a square at the end of that. So we're thinking about this in simple shapes, right? That's always a good thing. And then we're going to draw a curve right here for the arm, a curve right here for the other side of the arm, the thickness of it. By the way, hit the like button if you do like it. I really appreciate it. Everybody that comments is so amazing and so nice. So thank you very much. If you ever have a request, let me know in the comments. That's kind of what I'm doing this from, requests, and I'll make it happen. Line over here, up, up, curve over here for the kind of cuff link of the hand there. And hey, let's take a quick break, and I want to talk to you about something very important, and that is cute drawings, something you all want to do. And I understand when you're doing some of this stuff, sometimes things don't turn out the way you want, right? Sometimes the head's too big, or the arm's too long, or the line is wobbly, or what do I do here? How big do I make the eyes? I understand all these questions, so I made a guide for you to kind of clear up anything that you have. Pretty much all the questions I got on cute drawings, I answered them all in this guide. It is a 20-page guide entirely on how to turn anything cute. Like, I go over head sizes. Oh, shit. So let me give you an example really fast. So something we talk about a lot is proportion, and that is the most important part of drawing something cute. So what I do is I go over the eyes and how big to make the eyes compared to the head, and that is one way to do it. But 95% of the cute stuff you see everywhere has the exact same formula, and this is it. Another thing I want to talk about is, and then I throw other extras like, expressions and also cool poses you can do. I'm not going to have this book up forever, so get it right now while you can, and it is totally free right now in the description. All you got to do is go down, put your email in and your name, and then you download it. Thumb. Line over here, line over here, line over here, like so. Up, down. Line over here. Oh, across, across. That's going to be the hat, right? Pomni's hat with the, that jester hat sort of thing. Circle over here, circle over here. All right, and then we're going to draw a line down, up. It's almost like a V shape. It's going to be the collar of this like clown outfit that she's got. Line down. Line over here for the other side of the body. Curve, because the other arm is going to be downward. Curve over here. Curve over here for like, kind of like, you got to think of the arm like a straw, pretty much, like a wiggly, bendy straw. You got the cuff link as well on this side. Line over here, it's going to be curve. It's going to be like a fist right there. Line over here, line over here. We're almost done, by the way, so stick around. Go over here right there. See that? So we have the fist overall. Down, down for the outfit right there. Line in, line in. Circle here, circle here. Curved line over here for one leg. Curved line here for the other leg. Kind of like a bow-legged stance, right? It's gonna be standing outward. Curved line over here. Curved line over here. Circle. Circle. Down, down, down. Got the pattern on that outfit, right? And let me see. Let's draw the shoes in first. Line over here, up. See, it's kind of like an opening there for kind of that top. It's, I don't know what you call it, like a. It's almost like the sock area, but it's not quite the sock. Let me know what you would call that. Down, curve, up. Down over here. Curve over here. Front of the foot like so. Curve over here. Okay, now let's get to kind of the final stuff. Like I said, we're almost done. Okay, like right now we're really almost done. So let's push into this. So we're gonna go right here. We're gonna draw a curve, 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 curve right there for the pattern. Line over here, line over here, line over here. Line over here, line over here, line over here for the shoulder. And then we're going to go the same pattern right here in the, it's kind of, I don't even know what you call this. It's like shorts or something. By the way, you got an extra square right there. I didn't do that before. Curve, 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 right? The pattern is on the legs as well. And that leg, I don't know what you call it. The leg shoulder pad. I don't know what you call it. Leg pad. It's pretty funny. And let's see, we're gonna darken out middle of the hair here, and then we're gonna darken out the side of the hair here just to kind of give it, more right there. There we go. And we're pretty close to done, but if you want, you can add a couple little things like some thick lines kind of near the bottom of the area. Like anything aiming downward, you can kind of like just, maybe the lower portions right here, like the legs and stuff like that. You can add a little bit of a thicker line to give it a little bit of more base, but it's kind of up to you. Your drawing can be, slightly different, but let me know if you want any other characters from Pomni. There's going to be a playlist as well, so go take a look for the playlist of, I draw every single character out of this world several times, so go check it out. Thank you so much. Stay with me. We're going to go into the next lesson, so let's get started, okay? Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.